Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the monitor actually has full power and a solid video connection. Loose cables drop brightness. Press the monitor OSD buttons now and increase brightness and contrast to a visible level, and then check your computer's brightness slider in Windows or Mac OS. Once done, disable any battery saver or adaptive brightness feature so the system stops pulling back output. These first actions target obvious limits fast, and they reveal whether the issue is a setting or deeper hardware problem. Now you dive into software. Open your GPU control panel and adjust brightness, gamma, and digital vibrance to push overall luminance without overdriving the panel. Make sure the active color profile matches the display. An incorrect ICC can clamp output. If HDR is enabled but looks dim, switch it off to compare because HDR tone mapping can reduce perceived brightness. Also update display drivers and confirm the monitor runs at its native resolution and refresh rate. Mismatches can produce odd dimming artifacts. Finish by calibrating. Run a built-in or software calibration wizard to set proper white point, gamma, and target brightness. This adjusts how bright colors appear in real use. Make sure room lighting is balanced and remove reflections. Sometimes perceived dimness is environmental. If you still see low luminance, swap cables and test the monitor on a second computer to isolate the fault. If the display remains dim across sources, the backlight or inverter may be failing. In that case, service or replacement is the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.